Hello guys, welcome to part 2 of Stealing the Chocolate from Coach Fades. So, in part 2, we have seen that the chocolate is in the sauna, which is bad, but Curtis is probably in the story, searching for chocolate. So, let's go. Okay, wait, where am I? What? Wait, strange. Very strange. Okay, so Curtis is probably over there in the story. Wait, I see him. What's he doing? Wow, okay. He's in the store now. Okay, time to spy on him. Okay, so it's probably going to leave right now. Okay, wait. Is it buying chocolate? What? What? Oh, this is weird. Oh, lad, where's Curtis? Uh huh. Yeah, I see. Okay, thanks. Okay, so there's something wrong with Curtis. What's going on? So we must find him. Okay. Okay, the doors are open, what do you say? So it's probably where he is right now. Hmm. Is he over here? Nope. Wait. Who never saw his chocolate in the chest? Hmm. Thanks. Hmm. I think God lives here. Wait. What's the sound? Wait. Okay, God's here. Maybe hiding in the cat good. Wait. Fuck. He's coming. Fuck. I must hide. No. Here. What is he doing? Nevertheless, I must leave before he finds me. Wait. Okay, since I have yeah. Okay. Oh god. Oh my god. Okay, okay. I must hide here. You won't get me here. Fuck, I saw it on. Fuck, I don't see. Okay. Okay, so he's probably left a bit now. Wait.